This 2026 Ember RVE Series 22 ETS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Ember RV and features sleeps 6, slide out, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunkhouse, front bedroom, Murphy bed. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.